Hi everyone, friends! Today I'm out at a very unusual location, an abandoned livestock farm. There hasn't been any activity here for many years, and I got curious about what I might find here today. Wait, what is that? Some kind of truck? Here? What is it doing here? I think I'll drive a bit closer and take a look around. Just look at this. It's some old abandoned police truck. It's black and completely covered in dust and dirt. It even has a siren and some antennas. And there's some empty hangar behind it. I wonder what's inside. It just doesn't want to open. Come on. Phew, finally. This is insane. There's so much interesting and mysterious stuff in here, but everything is covered in dust. How long has this thing been standing here? Alright, what's this? A surveillance camera. Is this some kind of spy vehicle? A radio, probably for communicating with headquarters, but it's clearly not working anymore. No way, that's an automatic rifle, a real assault rifle, just like in the movies. No round chambered though, still a dangerous thing. This is crazy, it's a real pump action shotgun. It looks incredible. Take that, zombie. Take that, monster. And here's a classic of the genre. Guys, drop a like for these awesome and dangerous finds. These are protective plates, almost like body armor, all in dark colors. A dispatcher's headset. And here's the body armor, very cool. Another surveillance camera. And here's a helmet. Judging by the fact that everything is black, we can conclude this was an operative vehicle, a SWAT truck. Judging by the amount of weapons, they were on a special mission and needed to find shelter. And here's a handheld camera they usually carry during assaults. Another helmet. There were at least 2 operatives and 1 operator. An electronic circuit board. It probably fell out of one of the computers. More headphones and the computers themselves. Apparently the operators were providing intel to the operatives. Alright, let's check the driver's cabin. Wow, even more monitors and a radio. And of course, everything is old and abandoned. Okay, what if we check the other side? Everything looks partially dismantled. Guys, write your theories. What could have happened to this truck and where did the SWAT team go? All the electronics are powered down. Not surprising though. Another little screen. There's just everything in here. No working engine as I understand it. The distributor cap is missing. The filter isn't installed either. And the spark plugs have been removed as well. Guys, look, it says SWAT, classified unit. This is a very serious vehicle, even though it looks small, dirty, and in need of repairs. Good thing this is my know-how. Let's get started. I'll begin with the spark plugs. I'll grab my tools and the right attachments. They look pretty clean, no burn marks or soot. I won't heat them. I'll just wipe them with a cloth and put them back into the engine. I'm tightening them with a tool. Same with the rest. Friends, hit like. This is not an easy job. Tightening them firmly for better contact. Putting the distributor cap back in place. And I'm reconnecting all the wires. Friends, write in the comments. Which find do you think is cooler, the SWAT truck or the armored cash truck? Both had some really awesome and dangerous discoveries. The filter goes back in and I'll close it with the cover. Yeah, nothing works. It won't turn on, it won't open. All right. Oh, well, it's obvious. There's no battery. Tools back in place. You like it when everything is neat, right? Installing the battery and connecting the terminals. This should work now. The buttons aren't active. Strange. What's the issue? What's this unusual button? Red? Oh, something's lighting up. No way. This is a computer of Secret Special Services. But it doesn't seem to respond to my inputs. Looks like there's a special tricky ignition system here. I'll connect the contacts of these two wires. Yeah, there's some action. Yes, the vehicle has started. A noisy beast. Friends, drop a like under the video for solving the mystery of this abandoned SWAT truck together. Alright then, I'm cleaning the windshield and we can try driving out of this abandoned hangar. I'll move the off-road vehicle farther away so it doesn't block the exit. Now I'm going to drive, or maybe not. Something came loose again and isn't working properly. I'll check the main components. And we're moving. The driving performance is fine. Guys, subscribe to the channel to follow how I restore and test awesome abandoned vehicles. Well, friends, let's take one more look at what an interesting and unusual vehicle we found today. A police SWAT truck like this. Absolutely incredible. Bye, everyone, and see you next time.